The South African Democratic Teachers Union, the Democratic Nursing Association of South Africa, and the Police and Prison Civil Rights Union, as well as other unions, are engaged in a legal battle with government. Their aim is for government to adhere to a collective wage agreement reached in January 2018. On Wednesday, unions are set to drag government into the Labour Appeal Court. A business reporter, Wandiswa Ntengento, has more on that story.
Public service unions are intensifying their fight to force government to carry out the final phase of the collective wage agreement. Now, unions say the chances of the Labour Court ruling against the appeal is slim.
We are very confident that the Labour Court is going to rule, because we don't see how a Labour Court can say something that is in the Constitution is unconstitutional. It will be crazy. It's unimaginable. But as I said earlier on, we did not take the government to court. So it's not us that went to court. We went to defend the collective bargaining. We still have many other avenues, including appeals. But I'm sure you will have heard 3 days ago that as SADTU also announced that we are going to report the South African government to the International Labour Organization, because South Africa is a signatory and a member state to the Convention 154 and 187 that talks to the right to associate, but also the right to collective bargaining. We want the South African government to be held in the ILO to account on the violation of the Convention international law, because collective bargaining is an international law. As I'm saying, I shudder to think that a South African court can find an international law to be unconstitutional.
The government has asked unions to postpone the long-awaited court case on wage increases for public sector workers until after the 1st of February, saying it wants to work towards a settlement. The matter was expected to be heard at the Labour Appeal Court on Wednesday.
So our lawyers have worked very hard together with ourselves in preparing for this particular case. We are confident that the law will be on the side of the workers.
Unions say government has failed to present evidence to show it cannot afford wage increases for its employees. For Newsroom Africa on Channel 405, I am Wandiswa Ntengento in Johannesburg.